Well, good morning. Oh my god, it's so bloody hot for November. Jesus. But it's a nice group of us. We're heading up. Hopefully Galtees, we're going to go to Lough Curra and check the weather because it's really windy, but look, we'll suss it out. But lovely to meet a few people up there. I actually came down last night with and met Neil from Nile Outdoors, and then Gary from Ireland Outdoors. And we sat in the car park last night and had a beer and just got to know each other. It was really good. So oh, this is a pull. I know the rain's coming in later, but sure, look, the joys of it. So hopefully we're going to keep these hikes going, but this is the first of many, I'm hoping. So see how we get on. Is there room for one more?
No, it's on our side.
What's the password?
Hey, look.
Come in!
That's the password.
To Falter Road.